Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we're making this beautiful conditioning ginger and oak moss beard oil. So this stuff comes together really easily and is gorgeous. It smells incredible. Ooh. For our oil blend, I wanted a lighter beard oil. And so the bulk of the blend is lightweight olive squalane and camellia seed oil, both of which are light and silky and emollient and just lovely. And then I've sort of perked those up with some more luxurious argan and jojoba oils. Our essential oil blend is one I have been loving lately. We have rich, intoxicating oak moss absolute, CO2 distilled ginger, and please do go to the trouble to find CO2 distilled ginger essential oil if you like ginger. Because the steam distilled stuff it's not just weaker, it's just not as accurate. It doesn't smell as much like ginger as the CO2 stuff does, and I find it really doesn't stand up in this blend well at all. So the CO2 stuff, it really does make a big difference. And then we have some Michelia alba, which really perks up the whole blend. The conditioning element of this beard oil comes from the inclusion of some BTMS 50, which is a solid oil-soluble conditioning ingredient, and it's just lovely. We're using it at only 5%, but it gives the most wonderful, silky, conditioned feel to hair and to skin and to everything, and it's beautiful and a really lovely addition, even at such a small amount. And because it is solid, we will have to heat the beard oil, and it will give the final product a titch of viscosity, which I think is sort of nice. It's a little less likely to run away on you when you dispense it before you go to apply it. But guys, this stuff is great. It smells great. It will make your beard smell great. And yeah, we should go make some. We'll begin by combining our heated ingredients in a small beaker. So in our beaker already, we have 1.25 grams of BTMS 50. And to that, we're going to add 8.5 grams of squalane, 5 grams of camellia seed oil, 5 grams of argan oil, and 5 grams of golden jojoba oil. Now to melt this through, we're going to pop in a water bath. So this is a small flat-bottom saucepan with about 1 inch or 3 centimeters of water in the bottom of it. And I'm going to go put this on the stovetop on medium heat for about 20 minutes to melt that BTMS. Once everything is melted through, you can remove the mixture from your water bath and stir to combine. And now we're going to get our cool down ingredients ready. So I've got a smaller, more precise scale here, and a wee little beaker to measure everything into. So because the amounts we're dealing with are so small, I'm not actually going to tare the scale, as I find the first couple digits can have difficulty registering. So that wee beaker weighs out at 28.38 grams, and we need to add 0.125 grams of vitamin E. So we're going to be looking for 0.5. 0.02 grams of oak moss absolute, 0.02 grams of Michelia alba, and 0.05 grams of CO2 distilled ginger root. So to blend that all in, we're going to pour some of that in there, give that a good stir, and then back into the main bunch of oils it goes. To package this up, we'll be popping it in this 30 milliliter, 1 ounce pump top plastic bottle from Voyageur Soap and Candle. I often use dropper bottles for this sort of thing, but I recently did a facial serum in one of these pump top bottles and I really like it, so that's what we're going for here as well. And there you go. You just made yourself a beautiful conditioning ginger oak moss beard oil. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and remember to check the description box below the video where you'll find the full written recipe and links to this recipe on my blog, where I've got lots of information on where to buy all of the ingredients and all of the equipment I used and on substitutions. See you next time.